to my channel. How you doing? So before I start this whole video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and comment on your thoughts, and also go follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below. Thank you very much. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Now this is a very simple no foundation makeup tutorial. I already got dressed and I'm not really going anywhere. This makeup is just for, like, you know, just a quick run, a quick errand you want to run or something. Just something really simple and comfortable. So yep, just gonna put my hair back. Increase this a little bit. So yeah, let's start. So you're gonna need like a handful of stuff, just like a handful of things for this whole look that I'm about to do. Okay, maybe almost a handful. Depends on what you're using. You're gonna need Vaseline, you're gonna need a got2b glue, baby wipes, a spoolie, lipstick or lip gloss, and yeah, this to shape in your eyebrow. You can either use a eyeshadow or an eyeliner. I'm not really good at using eyeliner, so I just use eyeshadow to draw my winged liner. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use the got2b glue and your spoolie. I'm sorry for the banging noises. They're doing some constructions upstairs, so that's what you're hearing, if you are hearing it. Part of me wants to leave it like this, but I'm not going to. Now you're gonna need your baby wipes or any kind of wipes that you have. Just to clean off the excess a little bit. And now you're reshaping.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so I'm done with my brows. I'm not gonna add anything to it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And now you're gonna go with either your eyeliner or, you know, eyeshadow. For me, I like using my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take this and just draw it. Although I'm not perfect, but I'm gonna try. Okay.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
See what I mean by I'm not perfect with eyeliners? This one is always going to be different than this one. They're not siblings, more like cousins. Okay. And now you start using your Vaseline. I like putting it on my eye just to give it a little bit of shimmer. And now you're gonna use your Vaseline also again for mascara. Angel boy.
Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go.
And again on your lips.
I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. She's a Mona Lisa.
And now you're gonna go with your lipstick or your lip gloss. I'm going with this because it looks more natural. It's a silk matte liquid lipstick, although you can't really see the writings anymore, but yeah.
Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
I decided to add a lip gloss to it, just a shimmery kind of pink lip gloss.
Days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb.
I kind of want to add blush to the whole thing. Should I? Just a little bit.
Maybe it's for 30. My whole world is I'm all
I like adding blush to my nose, just a little bit of it.
up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming.
Okay. Okay, so that is it for this whole makeup look. It's just easy and simple.
Down, let you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
So that is it for this whole look. I really hope that you liked it and you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. So please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up and comment on your thoughts on this video. And go follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video very soon.